Exercise 7.2 of chapter triangles. Number 1, question number 1. In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC, the bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Join A to O. Show that OB equal to OC and AO bisects angle A. In triangle ABC. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. And bisectors of angle B and bisectors of angle C intersect each other at O. Join AO. Join AO. Now show that OB equal to OC. If AB equal to AC in triangle isosceles triangle, if AB equal to AC, it means angle B equal to angle C by isosceles triangle property. Then bisectors of angle B, it means half of angle B equal to half of angle C. Angle OBC equal to angle OCB. The half of angle B means angle OBC, half of angle C equal to angle OCB. Therefore, if the two angles of isosceles triangles are equal, it means opposite sides are equal. OB equal to OC. This is the first part of the question. Second, OA bisects angle A. OA means this. OA bisects angle A. Angle BAO equal to CAO. Bisect means these two angles are equal, BAO and CAO. Now we have to prove by congruency. In triangle BAO and triangle CAO. In triangle BAO and triangle CAO. AB equal to AC given. Number 2, OB equal to OC, already proved. This is also given. And AO equal to AO, common side. It means triangle BAO congruent to triangle CAO. See, AB equal to AC given, OB equal to OC already proved, and AO equal to AO common. Therefore, these two triangles are triangle this and triangle CO are congruent. Therefore, angle BAO equal to CAO by CPCT. Angle BAO equal to angle CAO by CPCT. It means AO bisects angle A. Next question. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. Show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. AD is the perpendicular bisector. It means AD perpendicular bisect the side BC, BD equal to CD and angle D equal to 90 degree. Perpendicular means angle 90 degree. We have to show that AB equal to AC by CPCT. First we have to prove these two triangles congruent, ABD and triangle ACD. This is a triangle in which AD perpendicular bisector of BC means BD equal to CD. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD, AD common. First AD is AD common. In these two triangle AD common. And BD equal to CD given. And angle ADB equal to angle ADC 90 degree. Or AD perpendicular on BC. Therefore, triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD by which criteria? SAS. SAS criteria. Again AB equal to AC by CP CT. AB equal to AC by CP CT. Next question number 3. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes BE and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB respectively. Show that these altitudes are equal. ABC is an isosceles triangle. It means AB equal to AC and the two altitudes AC, BE and CF. Altitude means angle 90 degree. And we have to prove the altitudes are equal. It means BE equal to CF. ABC is an isosceles triangle. It means AB equal to AC. And two altitudes BE and CF. Altitude means these angles are 90 degree and AB equal to AC. Next, third one, we have to prove BE equal to CF. We can take any two triangles, triangle ABE, this triangle, and triangle ACF. First AB equal to AC, angle 90 degree, one angle 90 and another 90, and third is common angle. In both the triangles, angle A is common. Okay, right. In triangle ABE and triangle ACF, AB equal to AC given angle BAE equal to angle CAF, common angle. This angle is equal in both triangles, and angle AEB equal to angle AFC, 90 degree altitudes. Therefore, triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF by AAS criteria. Okay. Therefore, triangle congruent by BE equal to CF by CP CT. Hence proved BE is the side of this triangle and CF is the side of this triangle. Question number 4. ABC is a triangle in which altitude BE and CF to the sides AC and AB are equal. Show that ABE congruent to triangle ACF and AB equal to AC. Just converse. In this question given that AB equal to AC and prove that altitudes are equal. In this question altitudes are equal. We have to prove the sides are equal. This is a figure of ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay. ABC is a triangle, not the isosceles, only just a triangle. We have to prove that the AB equal to AC. ABE congruent to in triangle ABE and triangle ACF. Number 1, BE equal to CF. BE equal to CF given. Next, angle AEB equal to angle AFC, 90 degree. It means perpendiculars. And third side is angle BAE equal to angle CAF, common angle. Therefore, triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF by AAS criteria. Now AB equal to AC by CPCT. CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangle. If these two triangles are congruent, therefore AB equal to AC. Question number 5. ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. BC, same base AB, ABC and DBC. Show that angle ABD equal to ACD. ABD equal to ACD. This is a triangle. Triangle ABC on the same base BC and BDC on the same base this. We have to prove that the angle ABCD equal to angle ACD. Join AD. Join AD. In this triangle ABD and ACD, AB equal to AC given, BD equal to CD given, and AD equal to AD common. Therefore, angle ABD and ACD are equal by CP CT. First you have to write the join AD. Then in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, AB equal to AC given, BD equal to CD given, and AD equal to AD common. AD equal to AD common side. Therefore, triangle ABD congruent to triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD by which criteria? Side, side, side criteria. Therefore, angle ABD equal to angle ACD by CP CT. Okay. Next question number 6. A triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. BA produced to D such that AD equal to AB. Show that BCD is a right angle. BCD is a right angle. This is the figure. In this triangle AB equal to AC, this equal to this, and AB equal to AD. These three sides are equal. We have to prove that the angle C equal to 90 degree. If AB equal to AC, therefore we can angle B equal to angle ACB. If AB equal to AC, then angle B equal to angle ACB by isosceles triangle property. Let X, we can take X, and in triangle ACD, in triangle ACD, AC equal to AD. AC equal to AD means angle ACD equal to angle ADC. This angle ACD equal to ADC. Let this is Y. Let Y. In triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 180 degree. Okay, angle B equal to X, X plus Y, C and D is Y equal to 180 degree. C is X plus Y. So 2 times X plus Y equal to 180 degree. X plus Y equal to 90. And X plus Y is equal to angle C. Angle C means angle BCD equal to 90 degree. Proved. Next question. Question number 7. ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle A equal to 90 degree and AB equal to AC. Find angle B and angle C. In triangle ABC, angle A equal to 90 degree and AB equal to AC. If AB equal to AC, then angle B equal to angle C. Now angle A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. Angle A equal to 90 degree and angle B plus angle C, both are equal, so we can write C equal to B. 2 times angle B equal to 90 degree 180 minus 90, 90 degree, and angle B equal to 90 by 2, 45 degree. Similarly, angle B 45, then angle C is also 45 degree. Okay, the last question number 8. Question number 8, so that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. ABC is an equilateral triangle in which AB equal to BC equal to AC. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. It means AB equal to BC equal to AC. If AB equal to BC, if AB equal to BC, it means angle A equal to angle C by isosceles property. Next, if BC equal to AC, then angle A equal to angle B. This is first and second. If angle A equal to angle C, angle A equal to angle B. Therefore, angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C. These three angles are equal. The triangle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. If three angles are equal, this means we can write 3 times angle A equal to 180 degree. Angle A equal to 180 by 3, 60 degree. Therefore, angle A 60, it means A equal to B equal to C, all are 60 degree. This is the proof of each angle of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. Okay, exercise finished.